So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create a bottom navigation menu. So this is the coding part. I've already shown you the example out there before this part, so I'm recording this again because there was some error in my mic. So this one is a perfect one. So let's just get started over this one. So first what we have to do is we have to go to build Gradle, this one you can see here, and we have to add the dependencies. So implementation, I'll add the dependencies and then I'll meet you after that. Okay, so we have added the dependencies. Now this is the material design which I'll use it for the Android X. So first what we have to do is let's just go to refract and refract the overall project to or migrate it to Android X in order to prevent any kind of error. Okay, now just go ahead and click on Gradle sync. So Gradle sync is complete. Now let's see what is the error here. So we, after successful migration of the project to the Android X and adding the implementations and the dependencies over there, so let's just get to the overall process of this one. So first what we'll do is we'll go to main activity and we will just get rid of this this one, which is constraint layout. So remove this one and make sure to add a coordinator layout here. Okay, so we have added a coordinator layout. Now just go ahead and create a bottom navigation view. Height is the width is match parent, and height will keep it according to our needs for app content. Let's just give an ID. So ID, let it be nav_view, navigation view. Okay, and then we will add a layout which will create right now. So let's wait for that one. So now just go ahead and create a layout by which we will display the navigation view here in the bottom. So go to res, then click on go to res and then create a new Android resource directory and create a new menu here. I hope the menu part is clear because I've already shown in the last or second last video, I guess. So click on menu resource file and just create a new menu, or you can say the menu XML file. Okay, click on OK. So here we are in the menu part. Now let's define 3 or 4 items which we want to display in our navigation view. So Android title, first let it be home. Let's give it an ID. So this is simply home. Then let's display the second item. Let's give it a title, and that is dashboard, or you can give anything what you need. Then let's give it an ID, and ID will be dashboard. Okay, now let's give a third title. Let that title be share, isn't it? And let's give it an ID. So ID will be share. Okay, so we have successfully given the title, and now three menu. You can see it here. You can see this all the three menu. So let's just move on to the activity main again, and let's add this menu file here. So this will be Android add. Okay, straight. Okay, so here let's add that menu XML file. So we have successfully added the menu XML file. Now you can see it here. This home, this is dashboard, and this is share. So since we have to keep it bottom, but before that let's just add some icons. So icon, we will give the icon. We'll first create the icon. So go to drawable, click on new vector asset, and first what we have to search is for home. So home, click OK, click next, click finish. Similarly I'll do for the next two. So after creating all the drawable file here, so you can see it. So first what we have to include is of home. So first we'll write home. Then second what we have to include is of dashboard, right? So include this dashboard here. And third, what we have to include is the share option. So click on share and click OK. So you can see this thing. Now just go to activity main.xml. So we can see this icon here. Now we have to send this part to bottom. Now this navigation view. So what we will do is we will give it a layout gravity, and send it to bottom. So you can see that this has come to the bottom part. Now let's give some background color for it, and let that color be the random color something. Hashtag. No, this doesn't look good. Not really. Okay, this is kind of manageable. I am not so good at designing, neither I know the color. Okay, so let's give the icon tint. So first will be the item icon tint. So let's make it a white. Okay, and second will be the item text tint, text color or text tint, whatever it is. So let's make it white as well. So here we are done with this one. Now moving on to the main activity.java. So here what we'll do is first we'll define the instance of the navigation view. So this is private navigation, bottom navigation view, and we will also assign it. So this is bottom navigation view equals to find view by id r.id dot bottom navigation view, or we haven't defined it or what. So okay, let's just check it out whether we have defined it an id or not. Okay, we haven't given an id, so let's give an id. Okay, we have already given the id. So let's see navigation view. Okay, so this is the navigation view part. Now in the onCreate method we have defined this as well. Now let's see what will happen when the user click on this one, bottom navigation view. So bottom navigation view dot set on navigation item selected listener, and we'll pass the on item selected listener. Now we can see that this is the boolean variable. So again, and that was a menu, right? So we'll use the switch. So here it will be menu item dot get item id. Now this menu item is from here. This you can see this thing. Okay, so this is menu item dot get item id. Now we'll take it according to case. So first case is r.id, and we have given it for the home, the first thing, home dashboards. Here we haven't given it what. So this is id, this is id home. So let's make it home menu. Okay, and let's define it home menu, and let's show a toast message if the user click on this. So toast will be you click home icon. Okay, and the second thing will be the case 2, which is r.id.dashboard. Alright, and we'll show a toast message as well when the user click on this. So it will write you clicked. So when the user click on dashboard, then this message will be shown. When the user click on share, this message will be shown. So, and we'll provide a default case as well. So by default it will return false since it was a boolean type, and make sure to return true here because it is a boolean type and it will only accept the boolean type values. Make sure to return true here as well and here as well. Okay, so this was this in we can see this thing. Now this was this in the video. Wait, it will come down, no worry. Okay, so you can see this thing. It is looking quite good, although I'm not so very good designer, but yeah, this is a good one. So yeah, this was this in the video, and this was all in the video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.